All right, everyone, welcome to a exterior entry family suite at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. We've stayed in a family suite before. This is the first time we've stayed on this side of the resort, which has the exterior entry. The other side obviously has hallways and such that are inside that you can walk down. We're gonna let some light in here. How about that? Usually I have everything on already. I done goofed. Let's open this up. There we go. All right, and put some lights on maybe. There we go. I can only put on one of them. No, they're all on. It's just very sunny out. So none of these lights are really doing anything. But anyway, let's go back here and start again. We're staying in the Castaway is the name of this section. We're on the side with the pool that currently does not operate most of the week. It's only open on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But this is the exterior entry side. That's the side you'll be on. So it is, it's a bit of a trek to things if you're staying here during the week that are actually operating, because there's no pool bar, there's no pool, there's nothing on here out on this side operating this time. And so we have it's supposed to be poolside. So we're near the pool, but I'm also facing the parking lot. The pool's just on the other side of the building. So it's worth noting, you may think you're gonna have a pool view. You won't necessarily have a pool view. So there is a kitchenette. We have this nice big fridge, chilling purposes only. There's our nice big fridge. There's a lot of space. It's much bigger than the Disney ones, honestly. It might be similar to the ones at Art of Animation, because those are family suites too. We have the Avanti microwave that doesn't open. Come on. There you go. Just pull it open. We have a Cuisinart coffee maker. Nothing fancy. Ice bucket. There's 4 outlets up there. Lots of shelves if you've got snacks and food and stuff for the family. There are actually, funny enough, I filmed this tour backwards, so you'll hear me later talk about how there's no USB outlets. They did 2 USB outlets. They're only over here. They're nowhere else. They're only up on this little bar, which has 2 stools. And yeah, you have 2 more outlets, 3 more outlets and 2 USB outlets up there. We have our resort map there. There's this nice light up here. It's cute design. Very cute rooms for the price. We have lots of chairs. There's 2 chairs right here. You can put the whole family in the living room and watch some TV if you like, just like in the 1960s. There's the sofa. We have the TV, lamp. 2 that drawer's kind of stuck. Yeah, might have to fight the drawer a bit. Yeah, there are two nice big drawers on this side. I think I broke it now. Yup. Come on. Oh boy, that's really busted. That seems to be that is the one big complaint over the years about Cabana Bay. The rooms look good, but there are some things that just, in the rush to finish the hotel back in the day, didn't quite fit right and stuff. So the drawer problems, some people had door problems or doors wouldn't close right, things like that. So something to keep in mind. I still think it's great for the price. I still love this hotel. They're minimal issues usually. But yeah, this is the living room. We have these 2 tables. We're gonna have to move these. I'm gonna put my room key away because we gotta open this guy. These are nice and light. These tables, they're also real beat up because, these are family suites. I just dropped it, whatever. They're nice and light. Very easy to move. You could probably do a better job than I did. I just kind of threw them over here. Let's get this guy open. I think we got to push these back a little too. I think they're a little bit in the way of where this is going to open. Nice carpet. A lot of color, which is missing from a lot of modern hotel rooms. It's the thing we've gotten away from. I like color. I'm not one of those people that wants the white, sterile, clean room. Not my thing. Not my thing. This will come off too. Okay. Plop. I think this is the American leather one that Disney has. I think they're the same. I think they made them for them. Which, you know, it's a pretty good thing, actually. Because they're fairly comfortable for what they are. The bedding did not want to cooperate with the opening of the bed. Ow. Yeah, like came off. I'm not making the bed. I'm sorry, everyone. You have to deal with this messy looking bed that came out. Yeah, I don't know if it's I think it's definitely the American leather one, but the mattress feels a little thinner. Again, it's a family suite, right? So if you have kids, like this is where the kids most likely should be sleeping, because you'll see we have a bunch of beds in there. We have 2 more beds in there. So there should be enough room for all the adults. If you're traveling with a mostly adult party, this may not be the best thing. You know, if you're on a budget and it is what it is and you don't care, you can sleep on this. It's not going to be the most comfortable night's sleep you've had in a hotel. So something to keep in mind. Something to keep in mind. It also takes up a lot of this room, but again, it's a value room. You know, this is compared to Art of Animation, which is a family suite. Obviously a little bigger, but still a family suite. I mean, the price is 3 or 4 times what you pay for this and what I paid for this. So yeah. So this is the living room with the bed open. That's looks like, all right, let's go in here. All right, now we're off into the primary bedroom. Which is connected to the bath, as you might guess. So these rooms are separated by this door, this sliding door. It doesn't lock. Keep that in mind. Some matters to some people. These rooms are really, I know I've said this a million times in all the old reviews of Cabana Bay, but it's awfully thematic for the price. I'm always happy with it, considering what I paid per night. And so we have drawers over here. We have 2 drawers. Oh, that's hard to close that one. There we go. They're not exactly closing even, but they're there. They exist. Here's our beds. This is what's kind of missing from Disney now, even at the values. It's just some color and you know, I know they got rid of the comforters and not everyone needs them, but they do bring some charm into the room. Of course, we have the vintage style little plastic alarm clock. I will say still, you know, we're still behind on the USB here at Universal. Just 4 standard outlets up here, no USB. It's time, guys. It's time to do it. We have another drawer down here. Room phone, the TV remote. These lights are always interesting because they're 2 switches, one for the top, one for the bottom. It's nice, gives you some control of the lighting level in the room. You got your abstract art above. Room is carpeted. We have this big just teal wall here. It works though. You know, there's no art. I would have liked another piece of art, but at least there's a splash of color in the room. This is the only wall of the room I have a real problem with. Because it's weird. It's just weird. Oh, that light's flickering. We've had a lot of, I remember last summer we had a lot of light problems too. It's weird, right? Because it changes level and it's just white and there's just this weird little shelf that sometimes is not even with the TV. It's kind of funny. The closet is over here in the corner. There's no door to it. It has a light though, which is great. Ironing board and iron, which is becoming a rarity in hotels now. Believe it or not, big shelf space up there for your bag. Lots of room to hang stuff, luggage rack, and the safe. Yeah, this weird maintenance thing is here, this plastic box. TV with the weird little TV ledge that you can't put anything on because it's leaning. I could probably do with a slightly bigger TV too. The All-Stars and such have a bigger TV. The climate control is there. So again, here's the bathroom. We have a vanity out here in the open with a nice big mirror. The toilet has its own little room. It's just the toilet and this blue wall and this white wall and the door and another white wall. And then again, I you know my pet peeve if you watch the Disney room tours. I hate when there's not art in here and the one colored wall is behind you. So when you do sit in here, it's, you know, like you're just in a white box. It's weird for Cabana, right? Because so much of the rest of the room is so pleasant. So it's weird when there's like one or two walls that are just like, oh, that doesn't really do anything for the room. Towels and stuff down there. We have drawers here. Of course, the classic looking Zest soap bar. It's great. One of the great little touches of this hotel. You have the hair dryer up there, tissues, towels, face cloths, everything's here. The whole gang's here. We have a full-length mirror on the back of this door to the shower and tub. What's nice is there's another vanity. So you do have a double vanity, and one is behind here, behind this wall inside the room with the shower and tub. Again, with the Zest soap and this nice, cool mirror. I like the mirror. Let's look at the tub and the shower. The tub has seen better days, you can tell. So yeah, there's the shower head, adjustable. We have the Zest and the VO5, the classic bottles of VO5 that I just knocked over. No, still not doing it. Come on, you can do it. There we go. There they are. Here's the curtain, themed curtain. Some places to hang things here. Some outlets up here. I think that's it. Yeah. It's worth noting this is a hearing accessible room. That's why it has the really obvious fire alarms all over the place with the lights. But I don't think it changes the room. I don't think it changes the room much. But there you have it. This is an exterior entry pool area room at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Family suite.